Hi everyone and welcome to the Mushroom Den. So today I wanted to share with you 3 ways you can consume kelp noodles. So these noodles are made from kelp as the name suggests, and they are perfect if you want to keep your carbs and calorie level low. They're very easy to prepare, they don't have any weird flavor or taste, and they're quite versatile as you'll see in a minute. So here are the noodles that I'm using. I get them from Amazon and I'll put the link down below. As you can see, this whole bag, which is pretty much one serving, is only 18 calories and about 6 grams of net carbs. So I poured out the water inside the bag and rinsed it out a little bit. This is how they come out. They're quite hard and completely unedible at this state, but we're going to change that in a minute. So in a mixing bowl, add some lemon juice, followed by some baking soda. Next, you can go ahead and dip in your noodles. What you want to do is soak the noodles in the mixture and really make sure that every string of noodle comes in contact with the mixture. The more you do it, the softer the noodle, but you only need to do it for about a minute or so. And that's it, the noodles are ready. All you need to do now is just rinse them out, and this is what they look like. And the first dish we're going to put together is just serve this with some vegan Bolognese sauce. I was still developing the recipe for the Bolognese and I will bring that to you very soon. So personally, what I like to do is just mix the sauce with the noodles first. And then serve that with a bit more sauce. This tastes so much like a treat, but it has zero guilt. I just love it. So Bolognese recipe definitely coming soon. Next, we're going to make some Thai red curry noodle soup. And to begin, I'm going to pat dry my tofu. Cut it in cube. And season it with liquid aminos or soy sauce, a dash of salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. Mix everything up to incorporate the seasoning. And add the tofu to a baking tray lined with some parchment paper. Space them out a little bit and pop them in the oven for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Next, place a saucepan on medium heat. Add in some coconut oil, followed by some diced onion, some grated ginger and minced garlic. Let the onions cook and add some green onions. Give everything a toast and add some mushrooms. And the roasted tofu. Next, add in some vegetable broth, coconut milk, a little bit more, some red curry paste, a little bit of salt, some pepper, some garlic powder. Here I'm also adding some better than bouillon veggie stock. Let everything simmer for a few minutes. Forgot to add some cayenne pepper, this is definitely optional. Now you can turn off the stove and add your previously prepared noodles. Let them soak in that delicious curry soup. And it's ready. Now I have to admit that the struggle was quite there to get those noodles to stay on the chopsticks. But when there's will, there's a way. And this was just so good and warm and rich. This recipe is just perfect this time of the year when it's a bit more cold depending on where you are. Next, we're going to make some stir fry. And in a large skillet, add some olive oil and a dash of sesame oil, followed by some minced garlic, some grated ginger, some red pepper flakes. Give everything a toast to let the garlic cook just for a few seconds. And make sure you're on low heat here. Once the garlics are cooked, you can go ahead and increase the heat to about medium and add a mixture of vegetables. Here I have some red and yellow bell peppers, carrots, and green onions. Give everything a quick toast for about a minute or so. Then add your mushrooms. You want to continue to stir for a few minutes for your vegetable to beginning to cook. Then add some liquid aminos, or you can use soy sauce, some vegan Worcestershire sauce, lime juice, a little bit of coconut sugar, and some cornstarch to thicken. Here I feel like we can use some more cornstarch. Once the sauce has thickened up and the vegetables are still a bit crunchy, we can go ahead and turn off the stove. Then add our prepared noodles. Now take your time and mix it up to make sure the sauce is well absorbed. And you have some delicious stir-fry noodles. Top it off with some toasted sesame seeds and they're ready to enjoy. This was just amazing. The texture of the noodles, the crunchiness of the vegetables, and the seasoning, just perfect. Alright, so these are 3 of the many ways I prepare kelp noodles. I hope you like the recipes. If you've made kelp noodles before, let me know down below, and I want to know how you prepare them. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you recreate any of these recipes, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, until the next video, have a blessed one.